Hello, welcome to Baking Basics. My name is David. Today we'll be talking about mixing. We're going to do an autolyse. What is an autolyse? It is just mixing water and flour together to create a dough and help the gluten to develop before our mixing. Once the flour and water are in the mixer, combine for about 20 seconds in reverse speed, then 3 minutes in first speed. Then let it rest for anything between 30 minutes to a few hours. Add your ingredients to the mixer one at a time. Once everything is in, mix on the first speed setting for 5 minutes. As it combines, slowly start trickling more water in. Once everything is combined, make sure to check the temperature of the dough. The final dough temperature should be 25 degrees. If necessary, add more water to keep it at that temperature. It is quite important to stop and check the consistency of the dough. Does it need more water, more flour? You keep checking and adjust as necessary. Just by feeling, I can tell that the dough is nearly ready, and that is thanks to the autolyse. You are now done with the mixing. Take your dough out and rest in the cool room overnight. Thank you for today, guys, and I'll see you soon. Au revoir.